Adding handful of ginger. Adding handful of sliced garlic. One jalapeno. Have sliced onion. Going to grind it. Adding some mustard. Let the mustard crack. Adding 2 teaspoons of cumin. Adding ginger, garlic, and green chili. Adding red onion. I took 6. Added 4 green chilies. Adding curry leaf. Adding 4 sliced plum tomatoes. Adding handful of cilantro. Adding 2 tablespoons of turmeric powder. Adding 4 tablespoons of chili powder. 2 tablespoons of coriander. 2 tablespoons of black pepper powder. 2 tablespoons of Kashmiri powder. 1.5 tablespoons of garam masala or meat masala. Adding adobo, all-purpose seasoning. This is not salt, so I'm not adding no salt. Grinded mixture, garlic, ginger, jalapeno and onion. Mixing the, adding some kasturi mehendi, 2 tablespoons of paprika, 1 tablespoon of turmeric, 2 tablespoons of black pepper powder, all-purpose seasoning, adobo. Adding 1 lemon juice. Adding 1/2 tablespoon of soy sauce. Ready to mix. Ready to mix the meat, turkey thigh meat. Adding 1 cup of warm water, boiled water. Started boiling. And close the lid. Let it cook. Ready to check. Adding some more cilantro. For the recipe, go to Sanless Kitchen on YouTube how to make turkey stew or turkey thigh curry. You want to taste one piece? Hope it don't fall off. Look at this piece. Look at it. Yummy, yummy, bang, bang. Mmm.